Welcome back, please. Nadisopia Salapson with me. Maham break kapiri sagarayo pe portray get the mojuna sa sagar. I थोड़ा हेल्थ जे मथास गराइना सी अच्छा थोड़ा पाकिस्तान जे वैसा जेका ज़नत आई आहेन ज़रूर जेका हेल्थ इश्यूज हलन पे आप बारन में वरन में मुझे मैं थोड़ा गराई था as ज़ना as we have discussed about the health thing, so what is the main focuses you see in Pakistani children's guys here around? What is the main reason behind the bad health?
Obviously the mind. It's basically what's installed here is driving what you are going to eat. So one of the basic thing is emotional eating. Emotional eating meaning that if you are sad, you're going to be eating foods to love yourself. So during the time you are eating, you feel better. So basically, if we can help to find out the root cause of why are you feeling bad, or what's your fears, what your anxieties, what your stresses, and we basically target those, clean them up, transform them so you have a wisdom out of that, you can apply it to your life. That's when and only then you can choose healthy foods. Otherwise you can't.
You really believe that if you're really sad, you start eating more? Because I think if you are sad, you won't eat that much.
Well, some people yes, some people no. It all depends on the person. Really.
What are you doing, person?
Really, I mean, some people are really sad and they just cry and lock themselves in. They don't want to eat and starve themselves. That's basically self-inflicting pain, which is very, very true in this area as much as I've seen. However, for children, they just suppress everything, they leave it out, and then they just eat. So basically, parents teach them what to eat. The kids don't eat anything what the parents don't give them. So parenting begins, learning about their own stuff, because if you are a parent binge eating and emotional eating, your kid will learn exactly the same thing. So don't expect from your child to eat differently, whereas you are eating, all the fried stuff in front of your child. It won't happen. If you don't exercise, it's another thing, right? Sedentary lifestyle is one of the other things which greatly drives depression. So all the high oily foods and the high carbohydrate foods, the light breads and the white breads and things, are actually driving all that you feel bad. So every 3 hours you eat something
like this.
There you go. Then you just keep yourself depressed. So I just wanted to have a little demonstration that wherever I go now, people know that there is fruit on the table for me. So it's very interesting how people can transform. So you eat better, the next 3 hours you feel better. So give it a shot. If you eat better, fruits, vegetables mostly, stay with whole grain stuff, then you're going to have a different outcome, right? So you put in a better fuel, better outcome, better performance will come out. But without really targeting what's happening in your mind, it will not be permanent. It's only temporary. So you will be able to lose weight, but then again, what happens on the end of the weight loss? You will gain it back.
Exactly.
So it's
not
about
eating all this.
It's not about weight loss. It's about basically health becoming the highest value in your
being
health.
healthy. Exactly.
So that's when health is the highest value, health is wealth, right? And you will be able to choose the job that you want to do. You trust yourself, you love yourself enough, so you don't need food to love yourself anymore. Food becomes nourishment, so becomes fuel. That's a very important thing. So once this mindset changed and it's done, then you can actually start exercising, and then you can start eating better because your body just doesn't feel good anymore eating those foods.
Exactly. मसूद साहब तहां से जरूर पुछलस तिका सजेला सा के हने बुधायो थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन अगर तहां पंहिंजी लैंग्वेज में करे छो जेका माण्हू से ॾिसनि पिया त ऑब्वियसली तहां अॻु कयो था इन शयुनि ते जॾहिं माण्हू डिप्रेस थींदो आहे त घणो खाईंदो आहे
जेके ॻाल्हि सुजैना ॿुधाई आहे उन जो मतिलबु आहे त हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ माना त तव्हांखे हेल्दी रहण लाइ सुठी मानी खाइण खपे घुरिजे तव्हांजे लाइ ज़रूरी आहे त तव्हां सुठी मानी खायो तंहिं करे तव्हांजी हेल्थ सुठी रहे ऐं सुठी मानी जे लाइ बि ज़रूरी आहे त तव्हां ॾिसो त तव्हांखे कहिड़ी मानी जी ज़रूरत आहे छा खाइणो आहे जेकी चीज़ तव्हांखे ज़रूरी आहिनि उहा ई शइ खायो बिस्कुट या बेकरी जी शयूं वग़ैरह खाइण जो को फ़ाइदो न ऐं हिन जो मक़सदु इहो आहे त तव्हां घणे में घणो फ्रूट इस्तेमालु कयो सीज़नल फ्रूट जेतिरो घणो इस्तेमालु कंदो तव्हांजी बॉडी जे लाइ ओतिरो फ़ाइदो थींदो
बिल्कुलु ठीक है पर फ्रूट्स त उहे भी जीअं मां चवंदी आहियां वेस्ट फ्रूट्स ऐं वेजिटेबल्स अहिड़ी शयूं आहिनि जंहिंजी अगरि तव्हां लाइफ में एडिशन करे छॾींदव त उहो तव्हांजे लाइ ई अॻियां वञी फ़ाइदेमंद हूंदी घणा माण्हू अहिड़ा हूंदा आहिनि इंक्लूडिंग मी बि कॾहिं कॾहिं मूड नथो थिए वेजिटेबल्स या फ्रूट्स खाइण जो स्पेशली फ्रूट्स में घणा माण्हू चोर हूंदा आहिनि इन करे त फ्रूट्स ऐं जेका वेजिटेबल्स हूंदियूं आहिनि हू एतिरो ज़्यादा मज़ेदार त हूंदियूं आहिनि पर ऑब्वियसली हू मसालेदार शयुनि सां गॾु उनखे कंबाइन करे नथा खाई सघूं असांजे कल्चर में हिकिड़ो मसालेदार ऑयली फूड हूंदो तहां मजेदार ठाए सको था वेजिटेबल्स के भी ऐं जेका आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स आहिनि उनखे अगरि तव्हां ॾिसो जेका फ्रूट्स तव्हांजी बॉडी खे तव्हांजी स्किन खे बि सुठो करे छॾींदी आहे फ्रूट्स ऐं वेजिटेबल्स त उहे बि सभिनी जे लाइ सुठा हूंदा आहिनि तव्हां ज़रूरु उनखे इस्तेमालु अगरि पंहिंजी डेली लाइफ में कयो त हू स्पेशली तव्हांखे हेल्दीनेस में हेल्प ज़रूरु कंदा थोरो ॻाल्हायूं था टोनी सां टोनी आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू एज यू कोच अ टीम how does it feel? I mean, people, whoever wants to be in sports, what things should be in manner? Matlab, according to health, according to body, what is the accurate size and weight of the person who can join a team?
I don't think there's an accurate size and weight. There's statistics that say a certain height should be a certain weight. But at the end of the day, I work on the basic training facilities. Whatever your training program is, then your eating program must comply with it. So in the amateur sports, one tends to train 2 or 3 times per week and play effectively once a week, and you eat accordingly. In the professional sports, when you are training 4 or 5 times a week and consequently playing professionally twice a week perhaps, then the diet requirement needs to change completely. And of course, once gets an injury, if anyone gets an injury, then once again that affects the training reduces, it's more rehabilitation, and the food that you take in will obviously affect the rehabilitation as well. So you may need to change your diet in that case.
Then if we continue the same thing again, I would like to ask you one thing, that if somebody is willing to do anything in athletics or something, so what is the proper diet to be taken? What do you think?
I think if you've got a high training program, then you need to bulk on carbohydrates, and carbohydrates should be taken the day before. And during actual competition itself, Susanna will know more about this, but
Yeah,
generally
exactly.
without speaking out of turn, she's taught me a lot about nutritional bars and different types of bread to eat in between in preparation for games. Some foods will give you an automatic injection of energy. I think Susanna taught me many years ago, white bread is a prime example of that. And then some foods like brown bread will allow you to slowly absorb it, and the energy is released slowly as well. So you may take that in the recovery program. So depending on what you're actually training in training facilities and in training climate as well, you'll find a great deal. A lot of the Australian athletes that come to Asia are struggling with climate. They're struggling with being able to recover quickly. Water is the main constitution of that because they dehydrate very quickly.
Exactly.
So all these sort of things are taken into consideration when you want to compete at that level. But there's no set diet. It depends down, work on the training, from the training program, work back, and then nutritionists will come in and help you to be able to establish a competitive diet.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Tony, for telling me so much about it. We'll continue with Susanna. Dr. Susanna, could you please elaborate it? Because people here who eat, because in the culture we have hot spicy foods, we have roti, what's bread basically, that's white, and that's not made up of whole wheat. So how can we cut down all these stuff to be normal? Because it's very hard. So is there any other way to make it more fun to eat all this?
Definitely. First of all is we don't take foods out. You just have the knowledge and understanding when to eat the biscuit, how much to eat out of it, when to eat the white bread and how much to eat out of the white bread. So basically is everything comes down to so-called blood sugar regulation. What Tony was just saying just now, it's regulating blood sugar level, regulating your energy level. If some foods like the whole grains and the wholemeal breads and most fruits and vegetables and the dals here, it's fantastic here, will give you a sustainable release of energy. So it slowly releases, so your energy level stays high all day long. If you're eating the white breads and the rices and the potatoes all in one, then your blood sugar will make a big curve and it drop you down, and then you're sleepy, and then that's when you become depressed. So basically, that's how we get around it. So how do we the best way? Take your 2 hands together.
Okay, I'll interrupt you in the middle because I have to take a commercial break.
Okay.
Viewers, asam to take another commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching Salam Sin.
Depression.
It is, seriously. You get people off from regulated blood sugar level, they become normal.
बहुत बेकार है, इसको तोड़ दो दीवार में मार दो please.
Oh, that's a good one. Thanks.
As a girl, I like to be.
What?
And then a girl likes to be.
बेकार है.